share with you a very delicious Tres Leches Jello flavor of pecan that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Jello flavor of pecan. These are the ingredients. I have the flavor, pecan flavor, color extract, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin, 1 cream, 1 evaporated milk, 1 condensed milk, 1 cup of pecans, and 3 cups of milk. This comes out amazing. I am sure you're going to love it. So let's get started. First things first, I have my mold here. I am going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I am going to add it all around, all in between those little crevices. You want to make sure that you really coat your mold so the jello comes out perfect when it's time to release it. So now I am ready. Let's start making this amazing jello. For here, I'm adding some regular milk. I'm adding my 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, which I think I should have used a bigger plate because this one is way too small. So let me change it to a bigger plate. I don't want to make a mess. Once I add it to the large plate, I'm going to add some more milk, and then I'm just going to let it bloom for just a couple minutes while I get the rest of the ingredients ready to go. Look at this. I'm going to leave it in here, and then let's start making the rest of the ingredients in here. Let me put it aside and let it bloom. In the cup of the blender, I'm going to add 1 cup of pecans. I'm going to add the evaporated milk. These 3 milks really make this jello amazing. I have the regular milk, the condensed milk, and of course 1 can of the cream. This is going to make it so creamy, so delicious. And of course, you're not going to add any sugar, so it's going to be really nice and sweet and delicious. I'm adding the flavor, the color of pecan extract, and now I am ready to blend. My gelatin has bloomed. I'm going to take it to the microwave for a couple seconds, 5, 10, 15 seconds, until it has dissolved completely, just like that. It's nice and watery, and now I am ready to add it into the blender and mix it one more time. Look at this. This Tres Leches Jello comes out amazing. I am sure you guys are going to love it. Once this is ready, I am ready to pour it onto my mold. Fill it all the way to the top. Okay, now when I filled it completely, I am going to get some saran wrap. I am going to cover it, take it to the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And then after 4 hours, I am ready to reveal how this Tres Leches Jello came out. I know this is time consuming, but once you make this amazing Tres Leches Jello, you are going to fall in love with it. It's perfect for this summer. Perfect so when you have an amazing dinner and you are craving something sweet, Well, this is the perfect dessert. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. Of course, I'm going to decorate it with some caramelized pecans right in the center. And of course, you have that amazing recipe of how to caramelize your nuts on my channel. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing creamy pecan jello. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipe. I added some caramelized pecans on the top, and of course you already have that amazing recipe of how to caramelize your pecans and many other seeds. But this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Really creamy. The flavor of the pecan is so penetrated, but yet not too sugary, just perfect. You need to try this amazing dessert for this summer. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing pecan jello. It came out perfect for this summer. See you soon. Bye-bye.